In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a program as an administrator or with administrative privileges on your Windows 11 computer. So this process is nearly identical for versions of Windows going all the way back to Windows Vista. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So just locate whatever program or file you want to open with administrator permissions. So I'm going to go through the start menu, for example, and let's say we want to open up a command prompt. You can just right click on the best match here and then select Run as Administrator. So instead of left clicking on it, you want to right click on the file and then select Run as Administrator. This is true if you have desktop applications or setup files. You could do it pretty much anywhere on your computer. You just would right click and then Run as Administrator. Select Yes, and there you go. We just opened it up with administrator permissions. So let's say we have a desktop shortcut here. You can just right click on it the same way, and you would select where it says Run as Administrator. There'll always be that little badge next to it, which will indicate a user account control prompt, and select yes. So again, you're running with administrator privileges. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.